Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to edit multiple layers video, including 3 or more, using VN Video Editor app. First, open the VN Video Editor app. And here, tap on plus. And again, new project. Now, select the video you want to use it. Now, on the top section, you can set your aspect ratio of the video. And for now, we'll go for the TikTok ratio here. Tap on it. And the video will be reframed according to your size. Now, tap on the video and adjust it according to your liking. Now, to add another video, just tap on the plus icon here and select another video which you want to use. And do the same process for another video. Now, after you input all 3 videos, you can resize it according to your choice. After you are satisfied with the resizing of the video, simply adjust your length of the video. After it's done, now here you can see we have added the 3 layers of the video, and this is how you edit multiple video layers including 3 or more using VN Video Editor app. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.